Alright, so I thought my temps were getting a little bit high. I've had this card for a few years. It's out of warranty. I think this is a good idea for people to do a little maintenance. The two halves need to come apart. Basically, the inside screws inside are identical, as well as the outside. They all match. So it's really not a major thing to take this apart. You do need to take this connector apart to split the two halves. The outside does not have to come apart whatsoever. I'm going to replace the compound, and as you can see, the inside fins and the fan definitely need to be cleaned up. Towards the other side it wasn't too bad. Scraped off the old compound and just inspected the caps and the other components on the board. I got some wear there. So I took some rubbing alcohol and just cleaned off the die with the remnants of the particles of the dried up compound. So it's time to get the dust bunnies out, and once I get this cleaned up and I'm using a regular compressor. I do have a filter on it, so if you're going to do that, just make sure that you have a deep filter on there. You can go through a lot of compressed air cans if you try it that way. Obviously a lot of dust inside the fan area. Wouldn't use entire force of the air on there, just nice short controlled blasts. And here's the other half that I'm just getting the back end of the unit here. Okay, so I definitely used too much compound on here, probably about that much, and then I went a little bit too further on there. So you can take that off if you want, the extra, and go ahead and assemble your halves. So I did a live test side by side with the monitor, the program, and running the video came down. It was at 28, so that was a base idle basically. So hopefully this helps you out, and keep everything clean. Good luck on your projects.